We love TypeScript, and for a good reason. TypeScript gives us confidence, a real-time feedback, even before we run the code. Just like not everything that glitters is gold, unfortunately, not all type safety TypeScript provides is actually safe. TypeScript gives us confidence, but not a real one. In fact, it lies. Let me show you an example. Given a function getUser that takes an ID and return a user, look at the code that uses it. Completely type safe, no red squiggles, no warnings, yet this program might blow up at runtime. Why? Because the getUser function could possibly fail. For multiple reasons. Because the user do not exist, because of network failure, or a lot of other reasons. TypeScript only shows us the happy path and leaves no clue what could go wrong. TypeScript adds a lot of value on top of JavaScript. But what about these gaps? What fixes these gaps? That is where the effect library comes in. Effect.TS fills the gaps in TypeScript. Among a lot of things, Effect.TS introduces a powerful abstraction called an effect. While a function type encodes the happy path, what it takes and what it returns, an effect type encodes the whole truth. The success type, the errors it might have, and the dependencies it depends on. In short, a function in TypeScript is incomplete. It lies by omission. But an effect is complete. It tells the whole truth. Just like TypeScript brought explicitness to JavaScript, Effect.TS brings explicitness to the missing parts of TypeScript. Similar code in Effect look like this. In Effect.TS, not just the happy path, error handling and dependency management become type safe. This is just the tip of an iceberg. Effect.TS does a lot more than this. Effect.TS in itself has a whole ecosystem, and you will see why very soon. But before we dive deeper, let's take a look at this abstraction called effect, how we can create one, and how we can run it.